my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so close.
Hey, howdy hoes, it's Courtney L. Pfeiffer back at you with another video. Today, I'm not gonna lie, has been a pretty hard day. My first outfit got ruined by poop and spit up. This poop was literally up and down my arm and all over Quincy from his butt to his head. So that was fun, and we just decided to get out of the house real fast and go to a coffee shop just to kind of uplift my mood. You probably can't tell, but I'm just like feeling it today. So we are at a coffee shop, a very family friendly coffee shop, and I have both boys with me. Bentley is going to do something like, I don't know, watch educational videos on YouTube or color or eat or do something, and Quincy is probably gonna chill and maybe even fall asleep because he is on the verge of falling asleep. I can't wait to take you guys along with me and show you just how cute this coffee shop is. You guys are gonna love it. If you are local to Louisville or Southern Indiana, I 11 out of 10 recommend. Quincy!
Bentley!
Alright you guys, so I'm in Sellersburg, Indiana at Mood Coffee, and as you all can see, it's just super cute, super aesthetic in here. Instant mood lifter, except for Quincy. Nothing lifts his mood. I'm going to show you around and show you the drink that I'm going to get. Fun fact, this is actually owned by my cousins. Super cute in here and I'm in love. Also a bunch of cool places to take pictures. But another thing that I love about it is that it's also very family friendly. I was able to take my stroller in and there are kid tables. It's just a good place for anyone. I'm going to show you around and show you my coffee. I'm just doing laps because Mr. Grumpface needs a nap. My cousin Caitlin's hard at work. What is your most popular drink right now?
Most popular is probably the Roasty Toasty.
Roasty Toasty.
Which my favorite way, you can get it hot iced or blended, but I am a sucker for iced coffee.
Me too.
I love sucking down coffee so fast.
Caramel and toasted marshmallow. I think I had that hot last time. So I'll probably try it iced today. And let's go ahead and do an abundant because I need it. Alright, you guys, that concludes my coffee shop vlog. I definitely want to do more of these vlogs where I'm going to coffee shops and just kind of chatting with you guys. Didn't really get to chat today because I had both kids with me, so I definitely want to do it whenever it's a little bit less hectic. Thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Short, fun little vlog. I will see you guys on Monday.
I'm thinking we'll be up